Under my lipstick here, my lips are severely bruised, and as you can see guys, my lips are so bruised. They're actually really sore, and it's all because I was convinced and persuaded that I needed to have plumper lips. I feel like social media can really affect us mentally and physically. Now I've got to walk around with bruised lips for I don't know how long this is going to take to go down, and was it really worth it? Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I kind of want to talk about social media pressures and also lip plumping. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe. So much harder than it looks. Literally so much harder. Honestly, I feel like when you have a script and you have to do the whole hi, I'm Charlotte, it doesn't come naturally. So do you know what, I'm just gonna scrap that. Let's scrap that and let's just get straight into it. So the other day I was going through Instagram and I was looking at all these beautiful girls with beautiful plumped lips, you know, whether they're naturally enhanced or whether they've been, you know, cosmetically enhanced, which either way, that's totally up to you if you want to do that. However, I found myself then looking for lip plumpers, natural enhancers, and what it basically does is your blood rushes to the surface of your lips, giving them a fuller look. It doesn't last all day, it lasts like a few hours. So I thought, okay, I've seen these people on YouTube, on Instagram, you know, plumping their lips naturally with these things. So I'll show you up close. So this is like a natural enhancer lip plumper. So it's got, I'm not going to do it, and the reason why I'm not going to do it is because I'm going to show you what it's done to my lips. So you basically put your lips in here and then you will suck up. Genuinely works, and your lips look amazing and a lot fuller for a few hours afterwards. I would say it doesn't really last all day. However, I had been doing this kind of every day for the last few days, and throughout the day I got a little bit addicted to it, I won't lie, and I thought, oh my god, my lips look so good, so good. And I was going to show you and do a tutorial on how to use this. I've decided against doing a tutorial to show you exactly how to use them. Under my lipstick here, my lips are severely bruised. Zoom in here. Okay. Ooh, hate when you get really close. Okay, so this is my mouth. I have not lip plumped them today, so this is like my natural lips. So if I just lift up, I can't even look. It's terrible. Look how, sorry, it's so gross and I'm talking like this. You can see how like bruised they are underneath here. Nothing's happened really to the bottom one apart from just a little bit around here. But I'm going to remove, oh, I've just got lipstick all over me. I'm going to wipe off my lips in a minute so you can see exactly how bad the bruising is. It's not a pretty sight, let's just say that. So as you can see guys, my lips are so bruised. They're actually really sore, and it's all because I was convinced and persuaded that I needed to have plumper lips in order to look better. And this is kind of just a bit of a warning. I think we have a long way to go in terms of, I feel like social media can really affect us mentally and physically. Now I've got to walk around with bruised lips for I don't know how long this is going to take to go down, and was it really worth it? No, it was not. So this is kind of just a really important message. It's just before you leap into anything, do your research. Make sure it's something that really you need, because if I really look back at, you know, a few days ago before I was looking at everyone else, did I really need to put my lips into something like that and plump them up? No, I didn't. I could have just used, you know, a better lip liner or different techniques to make my lips look fuller, or a lip gloss that plumps your lips, you know, that isn't going to damage your lips at the same time. It's actually going to moisturize your lips. Plump lips are a trend. Remember that we can get sucked into trends. Like years ago, plump lips wasn't a trend. Actually, it's the same with like thin eyebrows, or, you know, contoured cheeks, and, you know, big bums and skinny bums, and any kind of trend. Yes, we can all get sucked into, but remember, you're enhancing features that can have side effects. So what I'm trying to say is, I didn't need to go and get natural lip plumpers, and I can't believe that I'm now having to really cover up with a bold lip. I think it's really important that we all kind of share these kind of stories with each other, because I find that on social media we're always sharing, you know, how to get better, how to look better, or these are the tips and tricks you need to improve this, or, you know, how about we take a step back and actually think, no, this is good enough. I am good enough. I am confident enough. I think as well, we need to stop comparing ourselves to others on social media, because a lot is enhanced with Photoshop. I mean, lots of people talk about this, but we've got so much to do and so little is being done that it's actually quite sad. The fact that I felt insecure about my own lips, and that I felt that they needed to be bigger and plumper to look better, is quite worrying. You know, others will be feeling like this. I know young girls will be feeling exactly like this. You know, why haven't I got plumper lips, or why haven't I got bigger breasts, or why have I got a flat bum, or why? Stop. You are enough, and I think self-love, you have to literally go on this journey, and it's hard, it really is, especially if you want to be in the social media world and you want to be in that space. Yes, I completely understand that. I'm in that world, you know. Follow me at Charlotte Jonsie, I'll leave my tag here, because I love that world, but I don't want to get sucked into a world that actually I don't feel that comfortable being in. I have been reevaluating my individuality recently. Why am I doing that? Because I am sucked into this world that actually it makes you feel like you have to conform. And I'm not criticizing people who look a certain way and who do, you know, cosmetically enhance themselves. That is completely up to them, and actually I think they look great, hence why I've tried to look exactly the same. But it doesn't work for me, and I think sometimes we need to really remember, like, you need to think about who you are, who you want to be, not I want to be like her, oh look at her, she's amazing, oh she's brilliant. That's not healthy, and you will never be happy with yourself. So I honestly urge you to kind of just reevaluate if you're thinking about buying these crappy products, or you are thinking about a cosmetically enhanced procedure, or just really think about, is this you, or is this because you're being influenced by others to look that way? But if it's fine and it's a flat out, you know, the answer is yes, I want to look like that, and that is exactly the way that I vision myself, you know, in 10 years time, 5 years time, that's how I want to look, then absolutely fine, you go for it, girl. Like, I am 100% supporting you. But all I'm saying is that recently I was enticed to buy these lip plumping products, and it was because of social media influencing me, and actually it wasn't the right way to go about it. I'm now left with bruised lips. Look how gross that is. That's terrible. Probably not going to kiss someone, you know, in a while. So yeah, that's kind of just the message that I want to send out to you guys. I just want us to remember and not to forget that not everyone looks like that, and actually there is a whole world of completely different types of people out there, and you need to remember that if you're feeling a little insecure about yourself and how you look. But yeah, that's all I'm going to say on the matter, and I hope you come back for more, because I'm going to be doing more of these talks. If not, I do a lot of like positivity messages, and I share good night thoughts on my Instagram near enough every evening, just for that kind of little positive uplifted boost that you might need. But I will leave my Instagram link down below in the description box. I would love it if you would subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more of this. Hopefully you come back, and I look forward to seeing you. And don't forget to leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye bye.